Oworonshoki residents woke up to chaos. Bulldozers clearing what many called their only inheritance. Tears on the bridge, anger in the air. But here's the lesson. Ownership is not just about living on land, it's about securing your right to it. Urban plans, government policies, and environmental laws can wipe out unapproved structures overnight. If you are investing in real estate, always ask, does this land align with the master plan? Has government gazetted it? Is there risk of encroachment? Here is the question for you. Would you rather pay more for secured property today or risk losing everything tomorrow?
They say they destroy their house, now we give them